Yoga for stress relief. A beginner-friendly practice to calm your mind and relax your body. Yoga is a centuries-old practice that has been used to promote physical and mental well-being. One of the most popular reasons people turn to yoga is for stress relief. Yoga's combination of physical movement, deep breathing, and meditation can help to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Yoga for stress relief can be practiced in a variety of ways, but some of the most effective poses for reducing stress include: Number 1. Child's pose. This pose is a gentle, restorative pose that can be used to calm the mind and release tension from the body. Number 2. Downward facing dog. This pose is a great way to stretch the entire body, release tension in the shoulders, and calm the mind. Number 3. Legs up the wall. This pose is a restorative pose that can be used to reduce stress and anxiety, and promote relaxation. Number 4. Corpse pose. This pose is a deep relaxation pose that can be used to release tension from the body and quiet the mind. Number 5. Alternate nostril breathing. This practice, known as Nadi Shodhana, is an incredibly powerful and effective technique to calm the mind, reduce stress, and promote balance in the body. Incorporating a regular yoga practice into your routine can help to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Make sure to listen to your body and practice at your own pace, and always consult with a doctor before starting any new exercise routine. Additionally, if you would like to boost your yoga for stress relief practice and to get more benefits, you can pair it with other activities like mindfulness meditation, aromatherapy, and journaling, which are also known for their stress-relieving properties. In conclusion, yoga is a powerful tool for reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Incorporating a regular yoga practice into your routine can help to reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. So, give it a try, and don't forget to listen to your body and practice at your own pace.